When it comes to managing waste efficiently and responsibly, there's one name you can always count on: Consolidated Waste Services. We offer dumpster rental in Ocala, Florida that fits in every project that you need. Whether renovating your home, cleaning your garage, or managing a large construction project, we have the perfect dumpster rental solution. Our range of dumpster sizes, from 10 to 30 yards, ensures that every job is manageable. Each dumpster is meticulously cleaned, sanitized, and inspected, ensuring top-notch quality and reliability. We pride ourselves on prompt delivery and pickup, making your waste removal process smooth and hassle-free. At Consolidated Waste Services, customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our dedicated team is here to support you every step of the way. And we're not just about service. We're committed to the community and the environment. We partner with local recycling centers and adhere to eco-friendly practices, ensuring your waste is managed sustainably. With our user-friendly online booking system, getting the right dumpster is just a few clicks away. Call us today at 352-307-8110 or visit www.cwsocala.com to learn more. Don't let waste management be a hassle. Choose Consolidated Waste Services for a hassle-free, efficient, and environmentally responsible dumpster rental experience. At Consolidated Waste Services, we are your trusted partner for all your dumpster rentals in Ocala, Florida.